What happened to me?
It's okay.
Where am I?
You are with me now.
I have a terrible headache.
Okay, boss, let's take her home.
Everything will be alright.
Never do it again.
Okay, sir. I promise I miss my parents so much.
Alice, we miss you so much.
Oh, good morning, guys.
Morning.
Are you Paliwan?
No. I'm Hasti. You never remember me? Do I look like her? No, I didn't think so.
Okay. One week we learned about last class.
Go.
What happened with you all?
After the last task, a boyfriend decides to call the ghost.
Wow, are you sure? Who are they? Please stand up. Wow. How was that?
Do you know, teacher? A ghost possessed her body. Can you imagine that?
You got in her body?
Yeah. I can't remember anything. It was so terrible. I went there without my control, then the man woke me up. The only thing I can remember is hear Bobby scream like woman voice.
Okay. Girls, please sit down. And men, come here. Yes, men, come here. Men, come here. Okay, I will say something and then you follow my words. It's okay?
Okay.
Okay, first circle out your fingers.
Fingers?
Yes, finger. And then look at your elbow.
Elbow, right?
After that, look at your nails down.
Here's the right.
Oh no, what's the matter? Okay, everybody ask to see guys. But in their group, there are 2 men and 1 gay.
Yes, I'm a real man, as you see.
So I am.
Oh my God, my boyfriend is gay.
Would you like to go to this group?
Coming out your mouth with your blah blah blah. Just zip your lip like a padlock. And meet me in the back with the jack of the jukebox. I don't really care where you live at. Just turn around, boy, let me hit that. Don't be a little bitch with your chit chat. Just show me where your dick's at. Music's I'm in love with this song, so just hush, baby, shut up. Heard enough. Stop talking that. Think you'll be getting this? Nah. Not in the back of my car. If you keep talking that boy, come on, you're a rock star. Come put a little love in my glove bag. Just wanna dance with no pants on? Holla. Meet me in the back with the jack of the jukebox. So cut to the chase kid, cause I know you don't care what my middle name is.